Needless to say, today's Supreme Court ruling is generating a lot of discussion in North Bay political circles, and the United States Supreme Court's decision to strike down the blanket primary means that in the next primary election in March of the year 2002, we will once again return to the closed primary system. So you will only be able to vote for candidates in the same party as which you are registered. That means anyone registered as nonpartisan who doesn't have a party affiliation could only vote for nonpartisan races like judge or supervisor or ballot measures, unless they re-register with a party 30 days before the election.
What will happen as a result of the Supreme Court's decision is in a primary election, and keep in mind the next one isn't until 2002, March of 2002, the voters now will have to vote within their parties. So Republican registered voters will only get those candidates who are running for Republican nominations.
It's not surprising, but it's unfortunate, since it's going to really cut down on the number of people who will vote. And honestly, I think that we're going to have more conservative, more fringe, as well as less moderate candidates. And we want more moderate candidates. And that's not going to happen now. There's going to be a divergence.
Evie Lewis, Sonoma County's public administrator, hopes the change back to the closed primary system won't keep voters away from the polls. 65% of Sonoma County voters turned out for the last election, she says, due in part to the blanket primary. Two other states, Washington and Alaska, have blanket primaries. The Supreme Court decision does not address the situation specifically in those states. We will have more on this story tonight at 10 o'clock.